या एक्चुअली ये फिल्म जो है पहले किरण जी ने देखी और किरण जी ने इतनी तारीफ की ये फिल्म देख के और मुझसे उन्होंने ज़बरदस्ती कहा कि ये फिल्म आपको देखनी ही देखनी है। तो मैं भी सोचा था कि क्या बनाया शनाली ने इतना कि इतनी एक्साइटेड थी किरण मुझे दिखाने के लिए। तो मैंने फिर फिल्म देखी और मुझे बेहद पसंद आई। इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है शनाली ने और बहुत ही दिल को छू लेने वाली कहानी है। रियली टचेस योर हार्ट। अच्छा, कमाल की बात यह है कि अक्सर मैं अलग अलग जगह जाता हूँ तो मुझे कई दफ़ा कुछ लोगों ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि हिंदी फिल्मों में तो कई जगह मैं जाता हूँ तो लोगों ने मुझे ये सवाल बार बार पूछा है कि आमतौर पे हिंदी फिल्मों में जो लोग डिफरेंटली एबल्ड होते हैं या इनको हम डिजेबल्ड कहें, डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कहें, वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स कभी नहीं होते। आमतौर पे वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स नहीं होते, हम उन पर कहानी नहीं बनाते। लेकिन ये एक फिल्म है जिसमें जो लीड कैरेक्टर है, शी इज़ गॉट सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी। जो दूसरी लीड कैरेक्टर है वो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड है, नज़र नहीं आता उसको। तो इन दो लोगों की कहानी इतनी कमाल की कहानी है और इस फिल्म में इतना होप है। सच ए इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म, इट्स वेरी अपलिफ्टिंग फिल्म। तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इस फिल्म के बारे में कि ना सिर्फ ये बहुत ही जज्बाती कहानी है लेकिन आपको यू गेट अप विद द फीलिंग ऑफ विद अ लॉट ऑफ फीलिंग ऑफ अपलिफ्टमेंट। वेरी वेरी फाइन फिल्म। Mine? Well, not really. I think this film is more bold, more it's saying a different thing. I mean, I think Tare Zameen Par also is a very wonderful film. Script especially that Amol wrote is very 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 sensitive. This is not like that. No, it's different. It's different.
Is some part inspired by Nanavati Madakis also?
I beg your pardon.
Nanavati Madakis?
Yeah.
No.
Nothing?
Nothing to do with
I
it.
don't know
It's
who
an
that
original
is.
concept that is portraying.
I don't actually, sorry, I'm so sorry, I don't know who you're talking about.
No, nothing to do with it.
Sir, you've been a very good friend to Kamal Hassan nowadays, but again he's into some trouble saying that
Oh.
Kamal Hassan, sir.
What problem?
Sir, you have been friends with him now because recently there was news saying that Amir and Kamal is back to friendship. But now, Hindu Vishnu Parishad said that Uttama करके कोई एक movie है Uttama Villain जो
Should we talk about this film?
sir come on. Please.
Let's talk about this.
It's coming during the IPL. It is an entertainment film. IPL is 8 years old now. But is there a sense of competition? Or what is the conscious decision pick this particular slot to
Well, it's Viacom 18 who decided what the release dates would be, so I'm sure they keep all these things into consideration. I think you look at more what are the other films coming out at that time, and I think the feeling is that IPL hots up in May, and this is kind of a good time that they felt. Yeah.
आमिर अब रिसेंटली मराठी फिल्म देखने आया तो मराठी फिल्मों के लिए प्राइम टाइम का ये अलग आपको क्या लगता है कि बॉलीवुड फिल्मों पर कितना असर पड़ेगा अगर प्राइम टाइम मराठी फिल्मों को देना, कितना जरूरी है आपके हिसाब से?
मुझे पता नहीं इसके लिए लॉ बनाने की ज़रूरत है या नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं। क्योंकि आमतौर पे जो थिएटर्स होते हैं, जो लोग जब कोई ऑडियंस एक फिल्म को पसंद करती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसको शोज़ मिलते हैं। तो आई डोंट नो कि इसके लिए लॉ बनाना ज़रूरी है या नहीं। बट आई एम डेफिनेटली इन सपोर्ट ऑफ रीजनल सिनेमा। और खुशी की बात यह है कि हिंदुस्तान में वाकई रीजनल सिनेमा इतना वाइब्रेंट है, हम अलग अलग भाषाओं में फिल्में बनाते हैं, तो ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है।
Also, Shonali is receiving a lot of flack for whatever she said. It was wrong, expression.
About what?
About
Actually, I have no idea what's happening.
So basically, Shobha Dev had tweeted saying that the government is forcing such sort of rules on us Mumbaikars, and they're forcing us. So they say like it's zabardasti. So that is what she had mentioned in her tweet, for which she got a notice from Shiv Sena and BJP saying that she should write an apology letter. So we would want to know, from Shonali and from you as well, Amir, that how.
यार ये बहुत कमाल की फिल्म बनाएंगे सोनाली जी और मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है मैं बाकी मुद्दों पे कभी भी बात कर सकता हूँ ये फिल्म ओवरशैडो हो जाएगी ये सब मुद्दों से तो आप लोग भी ये फिल्म को सपोर्ट करिए और सवाल मत पूछिए और 2-4 सवाल इस फिल्म के बारे में पूछिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म लोग देखें इतनी कमाल की फिल्म बनाई और आप लोग का भी ये काम बनता है कि आप लोग ऐसी अनयूजुअल फिल्म्स को सपोर्ट करें है ना I think the story, the script, the performances, Kalki's done a wonderful job. I think in every department, the script, the film is really shines out. Really shines out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. सुनाई
Have you already watched the movie or are you watching it for the
First time. I've read the script long back. I'm very happy this film is finally finished and coming out. I've been watching it, and I know like Kalki is probably finest performance. I've seen her preparing for it.
Looking at the trailer, you clearly know that she stepped out of the comfort zone in a way.
I think she was. I don't know what you're saying, but my thing is I've known her more than you have. I know she's looked for this role, and this is something she wanted to do more than anything she has done in the past. And I've seen her prepare for it. So I'm dying to see it on screen.
Also, Anurag, the recent thing that's been, that's picked up this yesterday about the Marathi films and the government made.
It's good, na yaar. Out of 5 screens, one show of a Marathi film is very good for the regional film.
Right. But also at the same time, someone like a Shobha Dev who wrote something on Twitter, she's getting notices from.
Yeah, I have no idea about all those things. Other people's business, I have stopped getting into. It's not my business.
Also, your Bombay Velvet was in a sense releasing during the IPL. So, can we say that your main protagonist is kind of braving the IPL in a sense this time?
There's nobody, is anybody. Our film is coming out at time. It is ready. It should come out, and it's got nothing to do with anything else. I think if a film is good, it will work. Whether it's the IPL or the World Cup. We had so many films that are working during the World Cup.
No, honestly speaking, whatever have you done before also, people always speak about it when in a positive way or in a negative way. When Bombay Velvet का trailer जब भी बाहर आया, people are saying कि हाँ, it is not that expected because after अगले the
Yeah, देखो
expectations को
एक दिन film बाहर आएगी ना. For me, I'm ready to answer all questions when they see the film. Right? Till then, let anybody say anything they want to do.
But very Johnny Balraj, is gonna come here.
How do you plan to promote Bombay Velvet since it's one of the biggest?
I am not planning. The marketing people are planning it. I am right now still mixing them.
लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स कैसा आ रहा है सर? मुझे ट्रेलर एनी कॉमेडी फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड
मुझे ये फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट के लेवल से ही पसंद है, तभी इससे मैं जुड़ा हूँ और मैंने ये फिल्म अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे देखी। पहले जब आधी तैयार थी तब देखी, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई, तो हर रूम पे देखी है। मुझे लगता है बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है, बहुत सिंसियरली और ऑनेस्टली ईमानदारी से बनाई हुई पिक्चर है और इसमें जो विषय उठाया गया है वो विषय आपको वो डेलिकेट विषय है और नाजुक सब्जेक्ट है। उसे इस बारीकी से आप देखिएगा कि सोनाली जी ने हैंडल किया है, काबिल तारीफ है और मैं उनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
There's a new guide that Marathi films should be at So what do you have to say about this?
देखिए, मुझे तो लगता है रीजनल सिनेमा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए जो भी किया जाए बहुत अच्छा है। और मैंने अभी मुझे उस लॉ का पूरा मालूमात नहीं किस तरह से क्या इम्प्लीमेंट होने वाला है, लेकिन जो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है कि क्षेत्रीय भाषा की फिल्मों को प्राथमिकता दी जाए और रीजनल फिल्म्स को बढ़ावा दिया जाए, वो तो अच्छी चीज़ है, उसका अच्छी बात है।
Sir, everybody can have an opinion. Subhash Singh had an opinion on this. But now she's been asked to apologize because of about the decision of the
देखिए, किसी के और के जो वो कहते हैं उस पर मुझे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करनी। मैं आपको उनका अपना विचार है। मुझे लगता है कि हमारे यहाँ इतनी खूबसूरत भाषाएं हैं इस देश में, और मराठी एक बहुत ही समर्थ भाषा है, और उसमें जो काम हुआ है वो सिर्फ फिल्मों में नहीं, थिएटर में, कविता के क्षेत्र में और साहित्य के क्षेत्र में इतना अच्छा काम हुआ है, वो लोगों तक सामने लाने के लिए प्रयास तो करना अच्छी बात है।
No, I haven't watched it. Yeah. So the promo of this went with PK. No? Love the promo. Very keen to see what happens.
recently heard that has got the highest ticket sales. The party doesn't stop as far as the is concerned.
All I can say is happiness.
How excited are you when you watch a film like this, which is about character and entertainment is not big because there's it's a very hard
See, a good film is not necessarily about entertainment. It's about engaging you. The film can engage you anyway. People watch horror film also not because they want to get scared. So anything that engages you can be a good film. And I see the trailer looked promising, and Amir has seen it, and Amir has called a lot of us. And whenever Amir likes a film, I usually kind of have similar taste. So really want to see.
So, IPL is still in a sense a big competitor as far as movies are concerned. It is already started, but this is something that is for independent films which are releasing independent films in India now have the confidence to become something like an IPL because the content is kind of going from one level to another.
We are in a country of million people, so a lot of people watching cricket, but also still can go and watch films. In the past, there have been examples where even during IPL, a lot of films have done well. So there's room for everyone, I guess.
Also, Raju, we would really like to know your comments with regards to the Marathi films that will be screened now at the prime time, the role that's being made recently. So,
इसकी बात करते हैं.
just
Otherwise, we'll just start on to everything else. Let's talk about the come for this film.
Just one question.
Let me see this film and then we'll talk about it. Better do.
जी आपने तो ऑलरेडी फिल्म देखी है आपने सेड दैट यू फोर्स्ड टू जस्ट सपोर्ट सोनाली सेइंग दैट हाँ इट्स वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट हाउ डिड फाइट
It's an excellent film. I mean, I think it's compulsory watching for everyone in this country. I think it's such a sensitively made film, so funny, yet so poignant and emotional. So I think it will connect with anyone who watches the film, and I hope a lot of people go out and watch the film.
बट व्हाट मेड यू एनफोर्स योर आइडिया सेइंग दैट आप सबको जाके देखनी है
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी फिल्म, और मुझे लगा कि आमिर को भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. उनकी टाइप की फिल्म है, और इस तरह की फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं जिसमें किरदार ऐसा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिविजुअल है जिसका पर्सनालिटी इतनी खूबी से इन्होंने लिखा है और बाहर आता है. जबकि डिसेबल्ड हैं, लेकिन उनके सोचने के तौर तरीके, उनका जीने में जो मज़ा आता है वो देख के दिल बिल्कुल खुश हो जाता है. और मुझे पता था कि आमिर, जिन्होंने सत्यमेव जयते में भी डिसेबिलिटी पे एक एपिसोड किया था, उनको तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा, और उनको लगा भी. और आई थिंक ये फिल्म ना सिर्फ हमको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत सब्जेक्ट इतना ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. हम लोग डिसेबल्ड लोगों को बहुत अलग तरीके से देखते हैं, और इस फिल्म से बहुत सीखने को मिलता है और बिल्कुल मेरे आंखों के सामने से एक पर्दाफाश हो गया, यू नो, इट वाज लाइक अ रेवलेशन फॉर मी. सो आई थिंक वो उस हिसाब से सबको देखना चाहिए, लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है, बहुत मज़ेदार है, बहुत बहुत दिल को छूने वाली बातें और बहुत हंसने के भी मौके हैं इसमें, बहुत फ़नी भी है. तो आई वुड रियली एनकरेज सब लोग बाहर जाके ये सब Me and Ayan? No.
Nothing like that.
Kiran, you are really doing a lot for independent cinema. The film is one example. Do you think independent cinema coming from India has the confidence to take something like to take on something like an IPL? IPL has just happened during that period we are seeing IPL is for independent release. Marketing included. So if you can tell us about it.
I feel, you know, it's something that independent films are forced to do because at least during IPL, you know, that very big films won't think of releasing. So it's a release strategy that independent films have adopted, which I have to say has worked in the past because, you know, IPL takes time to build up, and sometimes there are people who don't really watch a lot of cricket and would be interested in this kind of cinema. Having said that, I agree with you. It is, at the end of the day, a bit of a compromise. You're pitching it against IPL, and that's not a small thing in any case. We don't have much of a choice, and I feel until we create many more screening options for independent films, we'll be forced to do this. But we'll take it. I mean, I think all of us independent filmmakers need venues, we need exhibition, and you know, whatever good, you know, options we get, we will take. So I think it's a question of doing the best we can under the circumstances.
What are your views on Marathi films getting prime time outside multiplexes and starting commercials?
Well, I'm kind of ambivalent about it. I have to say I haven't read what has been written about it so far. I've just kind of heard, so I don't feel like commenting very strongly about it. I think I do think that Marathi cinema does need you know, space, and like independent films, it is jostling for space in the mainstream, and this is bound to happen because the larger number of audiences go out to watch Hindi films. Having said that, I feel it might be quite restrictive if it's an enforced law, and I think I think in this day and age, it's hard to kind of force this onto an exhibition system, just like forcing independent films, for instance, will be unfair on an exhibition system. So while I understand why, I understand the pressures, I don't know if this is the best way to do it. I have no idea about that, actually. I've not been reading about it. I just feel that a lot of kinds of cinema do need support. But whether, you know, forcing an exhibition system to do it is the right way, I don't know. I don't have the answer to that.
किरण, आमिर हमेशा नए लोग बनाते रहते हैं, डिजाइन करते हैं. आप इस फिल्म के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. I don't think he's fully there yet. अभी तो वो काफ़ी on the way हैं to the final look. पर हमने जो टेस्ट देखे हैं ऑफिस में, ही इज़ लुकिंग वेरी गुड, और ये कैरेक्टर, ये कहानी बहुत स्पेशल है, और आई थिंक उनका वो जो किरदार बना रहे हैं वो भी काफ़ी नया है उनके लिए, एज ऑलवेज. थैंक यू.
I love the trailer and I'm very big fan of Kalki Tokin as an actor and Sonali for sure. And मेरा दोस्त नीलेश बंदे हैं, because हम लोग साथ में assistant director होते थे विशाल भारद्वाज के, and I'm really looking forward to the film. I wish कि आप सबको भी पसंद है, पिक्चर जल्दी देखिएगा, मैं तो जल्दी
सर ट्रेलर देखिए आपने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा मूवी और ऑलरेडी वॉच
जी नहीं, पहली बार देख रहा हूँ और देखने के बाद बात करूँगा।
Atul, exactly, Atul. So, with the new law, that's something. Are Atul actually
Sir, not best,
Atul. बुलाना यहाँ आवाज दे रहा बड़ा
हाँ सर ट्रेलर कैसा लगा सर व्हाट इज द न्यू लुक मैम something special a new trend starting in Bollywood
It's got nothing to do with the new trend. I love Moglas, and I thought the only way of having the perfume is by wearing it.
oh very good one have you watched the trailer so how did you find it
You haven't watched
No, I have not watched the film. I'm going to watch the film.
Thank you.
Shabana ma'am, Javed sir also would want to know from you that with the new law that is being made regarding Marathi cinema that's going to be showcased during the prime time, what is your reaction from the both of you?
I think out of five screens, if on one screen, one Marathi picture is shown 6 to 9, that is not end of the world. There is no problem with that. But I believe that this is not enough. Marathi cinema is progressing on its own, no thanks to anybody. They have made wonderful films recently. Recently, Court has come, and so many pictures like Shwas, and so many films. But the government should, at the same time, from 6 to 9 show, they should exempt entertainment tax also. That is how they will help. Not only putting it in 6 to 9 show, but the government should not take any entertainment tax. One. Besides that, I believe that government has asked the multiplex to do this, but what they are doing themselves, they should make small theatres for Marathi pictures in all the talukas of Maharashtra, where the film should be shown and no Marathi film should be charged entertainment tax.
Shabana ma'am, your reaction?
I haven't read the law, so I cannot really comment on it. I think it is heartwarming that the government feels that we should encourage Marathi cinema because Marathi cinema is doing extremely well and all cinemas can do with a little help from the government. But I really have to read the law before I can really say the pros and the cons.
Right. So ma'am, also the government is actually upset with Shubhani who commented saying that it's actually forcefully imposed on the people of Maharashtra that something of this sort of made.
I don't think we are here to comment on other people's remarks.
People in a free society, people will have all kinds of opinions, and there is no need to get upset about it. But the government has asked the multiplexes to do something for Marathi cinema. I'm asking the government to do something for themselves also by exempting them by entertainment tax. 6 to 9 Marathi film, no entertainment tax.
Very excited. Amir sir has personally invited me, so I was like, I have to come and see this movie for sure. Hearing some really good things about it, so going to go down. He's going to start very
डिसिप्लिन की कुछ मूवी है आपने पहले कल दिया कोई मूवी which is like that people say there is a minus performance till day today
That's really nice to hear. I think she's a terrific actress. So looking forward to seeing her again. So yeah.
Also, Shraddha, there's a new law being enforced, by the government saying that the Marathi film should be showcased in multiplexes from 6 to 9 p.m. and that's like a compulsory thing that's been made. How do you react to that as an actor?
I've actually not heard about this also, so I wouldn't be able to comment on this. I think it's correct to comment on something only when you're well informed about it. So I'm not aware
It's
of
actually
it.
quite simple. In every multiplex from the 6 to 9 slot,
Yeah.
the prime time, there will be a Marathi film that has to be showcased.
It's cool. I think it's great. I mean, if that is, I'm half Maharashtrian also, so I'm all for Marathi cinema. And fingers crossed, one day even I'll do a Marathi film. I mean, I think that'll be interesting also.
how's ABC shaping up now
Really good. It's made me all slim and trim. And going to see the promo. The 24th of April, the promo is going to be out. So hope you guys enjoy. See you guys. Thank you.
मैंने कुछ नहीं देखा, मेरे को बस इतना पता है कि मार्गरीटा विद द स्ट्रॉ जिस सब्जेक्ट पे बनी है, मैं उस सब्जेक्ट के लिए इस फिल्म को देखना चाहता हूँ। एक और कारण है मैं देखना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ये फिल्म सोनाली की डायरेक्ट की हुई है और वो भारतीय फिल्मों में अलग आवाज़ों में से सबसे बुलंद जो आवाज़ें हैं उनमें से वो एक है।
सब्जेक्ट सुनना मतलब आपका क्या लगा, तो क्या
मेरे को कुछ नहीं लगा, मेरे को देखनी है। और तीसरा कारण जो ये है कि इस फिल्म में कल्कि है, मेरी बहुत ही अजीज दोस्त और मेरी कोलीग और मेरी शंघाई की मेरी जो एक्ट्रेस है, तो मैं इन तीनों के लिए फिल्में देखने आया हूँ। और इस तरह की फिल्मों के लिए मैं बहुत दिन से इंतज़ार करता हूँ क्योंकि बॉलीवुड में बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में तो आती रहती हैं, लेकिन इस तरह की फिल्में जो मेरे लिए ये फिल्में बहुत रिलैक्सिंग होती है। मैं जाके देखता हूँ, सोचता हूँ और मैं इस फिल्म का एकदम ऑडियंस हूँ। मैं ऐसी फिल्मों के लिए मैं जीता हूँ और जब भी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं और मार्गरीटा विद द स्ट्रॉ मैं अभी तो देखूंगा ही, मैं फिर अपनी फैमिली के साथ अपनी वाइफ के साथ जाऊंगा, देखूंगा आराम से एक दिन मल्टीप्लेक्स में, फिर रात को उस फिल्म के बारे में बात करते करते आऊँगा, शायद कुछ सीखूंगा। तो बहुत मेरे को अच्छा लगता है ऐसी फिल्में।